Hi everybody, my name is Amin and I'm back to you with my second video about how to use Matplotlib to create professional plots in Python. Well, I hope you have seen my first video. It was just some basic that we already have here because I'm starting exactly where I finished my last video. We called the NumPy and Matplotlib.pyplots libraries, and I defined x and y, and then I had my simple plot, which is this one. So in this video, uh, I'm going into more options that you can apply to just this script, plt.plot, to make many changes to your basic plot. I have to say that I just make the scripts bigger so it would be easier to see. So we had this plt.plot x and y. What more we can do? Well, I'm gonna give you many more options that you can make changes to your plot and look it completely different and the way you just want it to be. The first thing is definitely color. Here, this light blue is the basic color, is the default color that is given to your line. So let's change it. Let's go. Simply, you type color equals to. Equals to what? There are some reserved characters for some special color. So R is for red. Here it is. We have the red line. Before going forward, I like to add that I just added this plt.closeAll to close my plot after running it. I just did this because if I don't have it, it's possible that I overwrite on the previous plot. So I wanted to avoid that. So that's just for that because it wasn't in my previous video. So R means red. What else? Well, let me add uh, the other ones here. For red, you use R. For blue, you use B. For green, you use G. For black, you use K. Sorry. Okay. For white, you use W. And for, let's say, for purple, you use M. That's very good. But is that all? No. I will show you later that you can have infinite colors using color codes to apply to your uh, plots. So I changed the line. What else? The second thing is the line style. Line style equals to what? There are different things that you can do here. The default is solid. It's just a hyphen and it's the same thing we had. It's just a solid line. If you add just two hyphens here, you have a dash line. You see? And if you make it hyphen dot, you have a dash dot line here. Very beautiful. And if you add colon, you have a dot line. So you have four things here. Maybe I have to. I should have them here for a solid line. You have hyphen. For dash, you have hyphen hyphen. For dotted, you have a colon, and for dash dotted, you have hyphen dots. Okay, if you don't want to have a line, you just simply keep it empty. So as you would see here, you have nothing. So I go back to the solid line. I have just a solid line. So you can change the style. I go to solid dot as we have here. It's very beautiful. And what else? Let's say line width. it's also different. It can make a change for you. How? Well, I can make a line thicker or uh, thinner as I want. So line widths, and here we go. Beautiful, isn't it? Uh, Very interesting point I want to mention here that especially when you want to apply many options here, you can make it just shorter. So instead of color, you can simply use C. Instead of line style, you can use LS. Instead of line width, you can use LW. It just makes your code shorter and neater. So as you wish, it's the same. No change, no difference. It's the same thing. Very nice. So let's go to more options. What more I can do? Because I want to add some marker, I just make my plot just look like this. Well, as you see here, my x is the data from -10 to 10 with steps of 1, and I have the corresponding y that has been calculated here. So I want to show this point, so I have to turn on the marker. What is marker? You will see. Here is the marker. It's the data points you have on your plot. It's exactly 21 points that we have here that are showing with a sphere. Here it is. So you can show your markers on your plot. What can I do more for markers? There are many different ways to show your data points. This one's just a circle. You can show it with a square by putting S. You have a square by like a star. You can have a star like this, or by V you can have a triangle and many other things. In the description, I will give you the page of the Matplotlib that you can see all the different things you can do for the marker. So for now, I keep it O. Okay, so actually, it's easy to say that you will also like to change the size of this marker. So marker size equals to say, let's say 8, a bit bigger. Yeah, there it is, marker size. So what about their color? There are two colors you can apply to the markers, the face color and the edge color. So marker face color, okay, you can easily abbreviate it as MFC. Okay, so I make it red, and let me make the line black. And you also have the edge, so marker edge color. Okay, this one can be written as MEC, marker edge color, and I make it blue. Okay, here we go. That's it. You see, you have the markers with the given size, with the given face color, and the given edge color. A point, you can also change the width of the edge. So I can say marker edge width, and you can say M M E W. Let's make it 3. It's probably too thick. Voila, it's just like this. So there are the main options that you can apply to your plt.plot. Let's recap them. C is the color, the main color, the color of your line. LS is the line style, which let's make it line dash, hyphen dash, which is a dash dotted. Line width, the thickness of your line. The marker, if you don't have it, you have no marker, so you have to put it so you have your data points. Marker size, marker face color, marker edge color, and marker edge width. With this, you have a lot of things to do to your plot. That's it. And here is the final thing, which you see it's quite different from what we had at the beginning, and still there are many more things we do in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please like it. If you like to see my whole video, subscribe, and if you have any question, make a comment. Bye bye.